Alright, today is the 15th, I believe. Sunday, just around 3 o'clock again. And this is our daily darkness. In that darkness, we're going to have some videos coming up later today. Some stuff captured on camera by somebody I know. And it's very creepy and looks like I got to do a video on it. Alright. Today, it was partly sunny earlier. I just had somebody stop by. They said the one thing they noticed in the car was both people in the car noticed they did not feel heat coming through the window like they normally do when the sun's beating on you. Like earlier, we did have partly sunny clouds with some sun. However, now, because it's 3, that's when we do the video, it's now back to cloud cover, which is why I picked this time, because every afternoon between 2 and 5 or 2 and 7 if it's summertime, that way, west, that's west. That's southwest, that's south. Behind me is east. So there's your quick hallway light. So we're at 4.9 with a 76 lux. Facing east, hallway. There's the lamp. There's Cody, man. He knew the video would be starting. So we got a 6 in 170 lux right now of light coming through that window right now. That window, we're about 140. South light is always more. Except this time, the southwest, which would make sense. Southwest is going to have more light. We're at 180. 180 lux. Oh, and look who just made a visit. What are you doing, Mr. Ferret? Oh, you see a bag. If anything's out of place, this little guy knows something was there. Look at it. They have like a GPS. They know like their whole where everything's at exactly. Anyways, let's go take a look outside real quick. Try and shorten these videos down. Okay, go on, Cody. So then, the sun was right up there earlier. We're getting a 12.4 at a 14,000 lux. 14,000, now it's 10,000. And I gotta remember, I think these trees do interfere with it. Cody, come here. Fooey! Leave that alone. He's going after a bird. Okay. $16,000. And again, east, about 15,000. South, around the same, 15,000 lux. The trees are blocking that, so I think the trees really do block the light where we're not getting an accurate reading there. But again, we got the blanket. It's a blanket. Now, the other thing I want to watch is the red, green, blue. And that's something we're going to start keeping an eye on. Red, green, blue. See where those lights fall in. Alright, everybody, this is Wag Chicago. That's today's Sunday.